Oh, it's a good day here at Sawyer Custom and Speed. We've got all three. We've got dirt bikes, trikes, and quads riding on the track. You guys here trying to get some lap times in? We got a little bit of moto training going on. Give tips, tricks, and how to take corners, hit jumps, what to do in certain situations. Tony's out there giving his old three-wheeler, that KTM450 supermoto conversion is awesome. Super fast, handles amazing. This man just makes it fly. Suspension's a little on the squishy side, but that's okay. Nothing we can't tune here in the shop. We got the motocross track in the back. We got the shop in the front. Perfect for test and tune. Great for breaking stuff in after we do build. Very, very versatile. Yes, you let people come and ride. All you gotta do is get a hold of me and show up. We'll do some training, let you ride around. Ride at your own risk. Ride at your own ability. Don't try and push yourself too hard. Try to stay safe around here. I say that, and yeah, we've got videos of us running around with no helmet. Well, we try to play it safe most of the time. We'll just put it that way. But yep, running around, doing laps, quad, trikes, dirt bikes, lots of jumping, lots of fun, good laughs, good time. We're going after watch time. I know I'm a minute 40 seconds in here, and probably most of everybody's already clicked away. Let me know down in the comments. We need the watch time. We gotta get the watch time. Throw comments down in there. It doesn't matter. Pick on me, make fun of me, compliments. It all helps. Go in the comments, throw a comment there, a little smiley face. Going after watch time, trying to get this channel monetized so we can get better videos, more videos, put back into the channel, and get this stuff really going. Got tons of subscribers, not a whole lot of watch time. Like 20%, 30% watch time on most videos. As creators can see, we see where you dip away, how long you watch the videos, everything. All kinds of analytics in the YouTube studio. Most people don't know about that, but yeah, it's a thing. We can see all kinds of stuff. Really appreciate the views, really appreciate everybody that chimes in, watches the videos. You guys are the greatest. I'm gonna jump off here and let you guys listen to these engines rev, listen to the guys laughing and whatever conversations we got going on top of the hill. We're all standing on the landing ramp and freestyle ramp, watching guys laps, having a good day. Hope you guys have a good day.